Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, I will share you denim handbag ideas. So friends, let's start shooting video. And friends and viewers, so let's start today video. Denim handbags ideas. We are exploring the stylish and creative world of denim handbag. Denim handbags are not only fashionable but they are also perfect for everyday use. As you are going shopping, going to school, or attending a casual outing, a denim bags add personality to your look. The best part about denim handbag is that you can make them yourself using old jeans. Upcycling old denim is friendly and give a unique touch that no one else. Why denim handbags are popular? Viewers, travel denim is a strong fabric that lasts long, stylish work well with casual or modern fashion-friendly old jeans can be reused instead of throw away. A denim handbag combined fashion is one simple thought. To make a denim handbag, you will need old jeans or denim fabric, scissors, needle and thread, sewing machine strips, decorate items like button lace, embroidery, beads, optional lining fabric for a clean finishing. With these simple materials, you can create a handbag that is both unique and weavers. Start by cutting the jeans carefully. You can use the legs for long bags or clutches the back pockets for stylish pockets. And we were using all jeans not only save money but also create a bag with choosing a design. Decide on the style of your denim handbags. Decide on the style of your denim handbags. Large, practical, perfect for shopping or books. Shoulder bag, medium size with the friends and viewers. The best part about denim handbags is that you can make them yourself using all denim jeans exactly. Denim is more friendly, give a unique touch that no one else has. One of the most stylish things about denim handbags is upcycling. Turn old jeans into something beautiful. Use leftover scrap to create small pouches or purse. Combine denim with other fabric for a creative patchwork bags. Upcycling is not only friendly but also a fun craft project that allow endless creative. Denim handbags are popular because they are